Unlocking productivity with the Pomodoro Technique.
The Pomodoro Technique is a simple time management method that breaks work into focused intervals, usually 25 minutes, called Pomodoros, followed by short breaks. This approach helps boost concentration and prevent burnout, making it easier to tackle big projects, avoid distractions, and maintain productivity throughout the day.
Bringing mindfulness into your work routine.
A practice of paying attention on purpose to the present moment. Combining mindfulness with the Pomodoro Technique means you become more aware of thoughts, feelings, and distractions. This awareness helps you return your focus to the task at hand, promoting a calm, clear mindset for any work session.
Step by step, Pomodoro meets mindfulness.
Start by setting a timer for your Pomodoro. Before beginning, take a few deep breaths and set an intention to stay present. When distractions arise, notice them without judgment and gently refocus. Use each break as a chance to stretch, observe your breathing, or simply notice your environment, refreshing your mind for the next round.
Benefits: focused and stress-free work.
Blending these methods enhances your ability to concentrate and reduces feelings of overwhelm. Regular mindful Pomodoros can lower stress, boost motivation, and help you manage your workload with greater ease. Instead of working non-stop, you give your brain structured periods of rest and relaxation.
Getting started. Tips for lasting success.
To make this practice stick, start with 1 or 2 mindful Pomodoro cycles per day. Use a notebook to jot down distractions for later. Experiment with break activities like short walks or mindful breathing. Over time, you'll likely notice improved focus, better mood, and a more enjoyable approach to work.